Hey, guys, welcome back to our channel. Make sure to subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Now let's start. On December 21, 2020, the attorney Benjamin Chew saw the funnier side of life as he compiled evidence for his highest profile client. The actor Johnny Depp had recently instructed Chew to file a $50 million defamation claim against his ex-wife, Amber Heard. Driving the case was a 2018 op-ed by Heard in which she discussed being a victim of domestic abuse, which Depp's team says implicates him despite not naming him. In an email that day, Chew joked to Heard's attorney, Ben Rottenborn, that he would get coal in the stocking if he didn't submit documents to the judge on time. In another, he lamented that Coco, his dog, was furious with the arrival of his newest canine, Chewbacca. The innocuous emails were disclosed as part of Depp's legal case against the UK Sun newspaper over an article calling him a wife-beater. 2 years on, the setting of their exchanges changed dramatically. Chew and Rottenborn are pitted against one of the ugliest celebrity trials in recent memory. The Depp v. Heard trial began on May 2nd and is finishing May 27th. Every moment of it has been streamed live. The case has sparked a social media frenzy. Rottenborn and Chew were caught up in the drama, alongside Depp's other attorney, Camille Vasquez, and Heard's other representatives, Joshua Treese and Elaine Breithoft. Vasquez has gained fandom for her cross-examination of Heard and her chummy relationship with Depp, which his cheerleaders speculated could be more than professional. A spokesperson for the actor said their relationship is strictly professional. Chew and Rottenborn's firms, Brown Rudnick and Woods Rogers, respectively, declined to comment, saying its staff would not talk to the media until the case concludes. Representatives for Heard and Depp also declined to comment. Their toughest test yet. Chew is no stranger to being in the spotlight, having previously represented high-profile figures, including Cher and 2 Olympic gold medalists. But Chew is a DC man through and through. A graduate from the nearby University of Virginia School of Law, he cut his teeth on complex litigation cases for the giant multinational law firm Squire Patton before moving to Manant, Phelps and Phillips in D.C. He joined Brown Rudnick as a partner in its D.C. office in 2018. Chew, who speaks Spanish fluently, has worked for the governments of Guatemala, Ecuador, and Honduras and has argued cases before the European Court of Human Rights and the International Criminal Court. Before becoming his lawyer, Chew had been introduced to Depp by a mutual friend, according to a person with knowledge of the relationship, whom Insider granted anonymity to speak candidly. Chew defended the actor in 2 fiduciary breach cases in Los Angeles, the latest of which concluded in 2019. Depp sued his former business managers, alleging they misspent his funds. They countersued him, saying Depp was responsible for his poor money management. Ultimately, the parties agreed on an out-of-court settlement. A 2006 graduate of Stanford Law School, Rottenborn started clerking for an Arizona district judge but was soon hired by Kirkland & Ellis, the world's largest law firm by revenue, in Chicago. He made partner in 2012. That same year, Rottenborn ditched the city for the unassuming Virginia town of Roanoke in the Blue Ridge Mountains. Rottenborn's wife, a Stanford classmate, had a career opportunity there. In Roanoke, Rottenborn joined Woods Rogers, a local law firm that, while respected, was a far cry from big hitters at Kirkland & Ellis. Nevertheless, Rottenborn continued to pull in prestige clients like Warner Brothers, New Line Cinema, Wells Fargo, and now, Heard. Last November, Rottenborn helped 9 Charlottesville Unite the Right rally victims win $26 million in damages. It's not usual that you would see someone from Roanoke representing Warner Brothers or Amber Heard, O'Keefe told Insider. That alone tells you something about his skill. Trial by Internet. His adversary, Rottenborn, has struggled to win the popularity battle online. Early in the trial, Depp fans blamed Rottenborn for an embarrassing slip-up from another of Heard's lawyers, Adam Nedeloft, that has since become the defining soundbite of the case, Nedeloft objecting to his own question while grilling Depp. The fallout has been brutal for Rottenborn. A Twitter account named Ben Rottenborn Parody has started commenting objection underscores of tweets about the case. A YouTube video titled Johnny Depp Dealing with Amber Heard's Lawyer has been viewed more than 11 million times, and another titled The Entire Court Laughs at Amber Heard's Lawyer has been viewed 2 million times. Thank you guys for watching the video. See you next time.